Okay, buli mujasizira okubeera ngate agoberera omukutu guli gumu Fahad Pro UG ku mulinyongero okubeera ngate mbanirizaako liking video sharingirako abalala obubaka buno oba oliawo abatamanyi kigenda maaso nabo basobola okubeera ngate bamanya ki ekiriwo saawa eno comment section always beera open era nga naawe munaitobeera nga wetya beera ngate osolo endowoozayo just in case ng'olina kyewandiyagadde okubeera ngate oyogerako ojakira wansi awo beere ngate osolo endowoozayo tubeere ngate tutambulira wamu ffenna kakati ebyokuba Bobi Wine akakebe katiya gas ne kabeera nga ateka mwabikirako era ne kamuleetera damage ey'amaanyi kugulu birese obuzibu olunaku olw'ejjo nasobola okubeera nga ate mbatuusaako video nga ekiri mu America ensonga zino zaatuuse dda mu White House ew'omukulembeze w'eggwanga eryo erya America era ng'olunaku olwaleero omuliro gukutte mu ggwanga ly'e Canada abantu batandise dda okubeera nga ate beekalakaasa era n'omukulembeze waayo ensonga zino zaatuuse dda mu office era kubeera nga ate baterawo obutambi mu ngeri okubeera nga mulaba ki ekigenda maaso side eyo naye nga sina kubeera nga temba twalayo ngenda kusooka mbatirawo ka video kano katini nnyo ku nsonga za full figure yavuddeyo nabeera nga ate alumbagana bubi nnyo Bobi Wine era y'omu actually kubasanyusa era nga yagamba nti akakebe kano akatiya gaasi lwaki bakakubye ku magulu baali badde bakakuba ku mutwe oyo naye ne bamuwona n'avaawo munnaye agenda kubeera nga tenkuterawo video eno osobola okubeera nga te owulira ki ekiriwo ku nsonga za full figure then oluvannyuma akutwale direct mu ggwanga ly'e Canada liking a video sharingirako abalala bwange obadde tulina okubeera nga subscribe ate ne ka notification bell kakoneko oleme kubeera nga te osubwa amawulire ekikapu ekiti nkomawo temuvaawo
yafundise wabwinaalwa
documentary eganye
documentary baali bagenze kulambula mulina
ate naye yakubye tiyagasi wakubye wabi okubanga ku mutwe
naye mmwe okutegeera siteekwa nakizudde lunaku lwajjo okutegeera siteekwa abantu balabye poliisi nga ekuba omukulembeze waffe Robert Kyagulanyi kakanisa katiya gaasi naye oli n'avaayo nga fulufiga mu mutwe gwe nagambu Kyagulanyi akola sitanti tegeera siteekwa wao nabo kabiri bamu be nalabye naye abana abantu nabo tussa omukka gwe gumu nabo oba bo balina omukka omulala gwe bassa mazambo tuufu lwakuba nti oluusi tubale tulina buyinza naye abantu abamu tetwandisizza mukka gumu nabo Katonda alibawadde bba omukka ogwabe nga mulala kubanga kinnuma okuba nti tusheringa omukka gwe gumu n'abo abantu abalina entegeera kikanga ekyo kati mumwadde mwagala omusajja bamukuba kakitebe kaasi kamubalukiddeko kubanga kebe katiye gaasi kaba kabaluka kabeeranga bomu kabanga bomu kali kakubye okuwa omwana emakerere nekamukutulako engalo zineeno akakebe kuwola baako baka kasuka omwana agala okakwata okazzaayo nikabalukira mu ngalo ze ngakuba guno omukono nekagujjako kabaluse omukulembeze waffe obugundi obwakabaluseeko ne bumuyingira munda mu nnyama bino ffe byaliyete si ebyabugingo biri eri muli byatasobola kwogerera olaba ne bugingo atatulaga biwundu bye yasobola obikakasa endiga ze endiga ne zikkiriza nalefinya kyetulabako mwe wagala omusajja bamukube adde buziwaka bagambe nti omusajja azze waka mwe tekera mweri etya alikinazudde ekisinga okubaluma mulaba omusajja amuli gonna yagefuze oyo topu afuna obuzibu buli muntu n'anakuwala nawe omufuna obuzibu nabudde fulufiga awoza singa bakamukubye ku mutwe fulufiga bino yemwogera bisigalayo ninawe mufuna obuzibu mwabaleetera abantu okujjaganya nga mufunye obuzibu mwabaleetedde abantu obusungu mwe bafulufiga mwabaleetedde abantu obusungu naye fide ekyungi bazitereka era bala ne bazinde ku kaseera kammwe ak'obuzibu bukyolina okuba nti Kyagulanyi gwoliko saakakebako kali mukubye ku mutwe nga wadde okaagala naye gomanyi abamukuuma bakubona babolegali abamutambuleka bamukuuma oyo gomanyi abamukuuma kikavale my president katukusabire mama Sola ajja kunyiga bulungi era ojja kutereera essaala zaffe ziwuwo
Museveni mena ratepte mola president de notre printe plateforme notre président so mena y a pas beau c'est tout chez nous c'est difficile la ville est là c'est très difficile avec le président arrêté dans la président pour la 41 c'est difficile comme tu dis quelque chose sur le gouvernement fait pas beau, mais tu dis quelque chose, tout va mort. C'est pas beau, c'est pas beau. Right now, we are saying that our home is not safe. We cannot stay there, and we came here because we didn't like it, we didn't want it, but it was difficult and completely impossible to live in Uganda and you start life. If you say something about the government is killing people. Yesterday they attempted to kill our president. They shot him at the leg because they want to eliminate him. They are scared of the young generation. The old generation has been in power for now 40 years and they are still fighting. And this president wants to bring his son. And we are saying we cannot accommodate that. That's not good and will not happen. We shall stand, we shall demonstrate, we shall stand on the street always and manifest until something changes. Because Uganda is our hope. And Uganda, we cannot leave it to just go in shambles. We will always stand and fight until something changes.
We are losing a lot of people because of their political affiliations. If you support them, the dictatorial regime. If you don't support the dictatorial regime back home, you're killed. You end up in jail. Our funds are being corrupt. We have a lot of corruption back home. Canada. Stop funding the dictator. Canada. Stop funding the dictator. Museveni is a murderer. Free political prisoners back home. We are here, dear Canada. We are here because we don't want. We are here because of our brothers back home. Our brothers back home. They are in jail. They are losing their lives daily. If you talk about politics, you die. If you talk about politics, you die. If you talk about LGBT, you die. Please, we beg you, Canada, stand with Ugandans, follow our Ugandan politics back home. Because a lot is going on back. Museveni uses a lot of taxpayers' money to bring people to show a good.
Malange comrades, how are you? Mugamba mutya. Mpozi bagambye bwe tweyita ba general batusiba kale nze general Dodo. Nze general. Oba wali ekisinga kaawo major general oba general yenze Kajumba. Lero ennaku z'omwezi 4 September 2024. Wano wendi ziri ssaawa 5 ez'okumakya n'eddakiika 18. Babadde beegezaamu okulaba nti bwe tukola kye twasuubiza ne tusaanyaawo omuntu ono Kyagulanyi, bannayuganda bayinza kukolawo ki? Oba mwalaba waliwo interview neera ngisanze ku X oba Twitter nga omukulembeze alina omukyala amuwa interview namugamba nti yagamba kill that boy, we shall deal with the consequences. Era omukulembeze n'asaba omukyalo yamuvuunuulire ako kategeeza aki mu Luganda. Naye nze kyesimanyi Museveni oba onoosobola consequences ezikwata ku Kyagulanyi. Simanyi oba onoosobola consequences abo abakuwa amagezi noza bakuwa ga bwereere. Oyo bamuyita the anointed one, takwatibwako, tasongwamu, y'essuubi lya Uganda. Era ffe wano nga Toronto, Canada, ne chapters zaffe Edmonton, Ottawa, Quebec, BC, fena leero tuli ku nguudo. Olwaleero luno nga 4 tulaga omutali mumativu bwaffe on an attempted assassination. mu bantu bonna era gwe mulabye okukuba ye lwaki mwakubye omugulu oba mubadde mumuteekamu obutwa bwambuke mu mubiri waggulu ave solokiro oba ndaba mwasuze mwenna mwetala ensambya mwetala mubadde mwagala kukolaki mwagala kumumaliriza banange temusitula kyemutasobole temwetikka kyemutasobole eryo lyeriiso lyaffe alisokoolamu aba alina kyatwagaza nze nga genero nanti bagaa bwe tuyita ba genero mbulakwa akireewo yali genero kati byatali kati nze genero Kajumba nkoowodde bannakanada mwenna tuli ku kkubo olwaleero ab'e Toronto mukimanyi bulungi tugenda ku miitinga ssaawa 7 ogw'e Toronto ku 77 Grace Street 77 Grace Street to downtown Toronto twambuke tuti ku college Kawangamuke tutwale petitioni zaffe wonna we tugenda ozitwala ate kano katandika butandisi luno guno si mukyezo mwakutte ku mukyamu kambabuulire gwe mwakutteko mukyamu bakomedi nze nsiibudde kubanga nina okugenda ntegeke byonna byembadde nnyo okukola olwaleero byonna mbisazizza nkuba bakutte ku liiso lyange bakutte ku liiso ly'eggwanga essuubi lyaffe akasubi kati ke tusigazza mu desert baagala ene bana Toronto leero nga nnya wetuli nnyo n'aba Edmonton mbakoowola mwenna mubeereeyo omukulembeze mulangira Kyabagu ne Eddie, I think Eddie is mobilizer, chief mobilizer era abacommunicating n'akakiiko konna bali communicating BC abakulembeze era ndaba bakiriko Quebec olawa fenna tuli ku kkubo ndoza mwakakasizza ntoyo ali mwakasiza how long it took for the entire global press to report about it. Kati mulinde nno ebiddirira mulinde ebiddirira yo gwe mwakutteko mukyamu nnyo mwakutte wa kyamu ane bakomredi twegweko twesangeyo ku ssaawa 7 yes otandika okumiitinga tusimbula ssaawa 8. Kale, see you later.
He's a killer. Museveni is a murderer. Anita Among is a thief. Mpuga is a thief. They have funded, they have looted all the taxpayers' money back home. We have poor medical facilities, poor education facilities because of the dictator. He wants to see the indigenous citizens of Uganda poor. He wants to rule them by an iron hand, which we shall not accept. Canada, stop selling guns. Stop using arms to overrun them to the dictator Museveni. Canada. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a murderer. People power. People power. Our power. Museveni and his people, Museveni and the police of Uganda, they tried to attempt to assassinate our elected president, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, aka Bobi Wine. He tried to kill our president, but we shall not let that be. If he kills him, we shall also stand to fight against them. They use guns that Canada, you send yourself to them to kill the youth, to kill the indigenous people. America, Canada, stop funding dictator Museveni. We are tired. Enough is enough. We are tired. Enough is enough. Canada, stop funding a dictator. Canada. Trudeau, stop funding dictator Museveni. We don't accept that. You fight fighting for human rights, but we have no human rights back home. All the officers
were invaded, all the offices are corrupt because of Museveni. And he's using the money that Canadian government, the United
Message guys.
with the dictators. We are fed up. Museveni is a killer. Museveni, we are fed up. Museveni is a murderer. Come on, guys, Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a murderer. Come on, guys, Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a killer. Please, if you want to pass your message, please send to the Ministry of Internal Affairs, to the Ministry of Finance, to stop funding Museveni, the dictator. The same money Canada you're funding with Museveni, they are using that same money to torture, to kill that indigenous, predominant citizens of Uganda. We are fed up. Canada, US government, please, stop. If you want to see us die, it's okay. If that's what you people want, it's okay. Please, stop funding the dictator. That's the truth. That's the money. We are here. We have a beautiful country. We have a nice country in Uganda. But because of the dictator Museveni, he has been in power for over 40 years. He has been in power for over 40 years. We are fed up. We are fed up. Canada, Canada. Canada, Canada. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a murderer.
Stop funding a dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding a dictator.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer. Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Please, the government of Canada, we hereby come to you in a humble way to request you, please, to stop funding the dictator Museveni. We know that our voices are very clear. They are very clear. We come out in peace. We come to show our pain, the pain that we have on our hearts. It's not because we are happy, not because we don't have what to do, but please, Canada, stop funding the dictator. You are using the taxpayers' money here to fund the Museveni government back home, and they are using the same money to torture, to frustrate the indigenous predominant Ugandans and citizens, especially the youth. Uganda is full of youth. The young generation, we want change. We want change. Canada, we want change in Uganda. We are fed up. We want change. Our president, Robert Chagulanyi Ssentamu, was attempted, was sent the government of Uganda, the police, tried to assassinate him because someone to speak just with the word of mouth, and they have guns, they use the guns to assassinate us. Please, Canada, stop funding the dictator. Stop funding Museveni. In the prisons, they are eroding there. They are sodomizing them for no reason. They are using them to they forcefully tell them to sign things that they have not done. They take guns to our houses, claiming that we are killers. Yes, they are the killers. Canada, stop funding the dictator. Canada, stop supporting the dictator. Canada, US government, stop sending money to the dictators back in Africa. It is because of this government we are suffering. We have a good country, but because of the few people who wish for themselves, the people who are greedy, the people who are mean, the people who don't love the country, the people who don't love the people, people who don't love the people, people who don't love the people. I repeat, people who pretend. We are fed up of pretenders. We are fed up of pretenders. Canada, Canada.
Stop funding a dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding a dictator.
Stop funding a dictator. Museveni is a killer. Museveni is a murderer. We have very many political prisoners just because they come out to speak. Imagine just mere speaking the truth of what is happening. Then they are being assassinated. They are being wounded. They are being sodomized. by the police of Uganda. Those people of the police of Uganda has made the police to look like fools, because police in Uganda stands for people of low income carry explosives. That is the reality. Because they carry the explosives, they now want to impose their anger to the indigenous citizens of Uganda, the young generation, the youth, for no reason. Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
All power.
Our power.
People power.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Yesterday, our elect president, the president-elect of Uganda, the president we elected out of our love, out of our wish, the police, the Uganda police, attempted to assassinate him, and they wounded him badly. They held him brutally. They held him like a thief, not because he has crime, but because Museveni is afraid of the youth who are trying to come out to fight for their rights. There are no human rights in Uganda. If you come out to speak the truth, you are killed. The truth makes us being killed. The truth shall set us free. Canada, let's all stand for the truth. Please unite with us, stand with us in solidarity to overcome the dictator Museveni. Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada. Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a killer.
Bonjour, Canada.
Bonjour, Canada.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
We are here demonstrating because of what is going on back home. We have a lot of political prisoners. We can't do this back home. We love Canada because we can demonstrate peacefully with the help of politicians. But you can't do this back home. When you try to do this back home, they'll kill you. We have very many political prisoners back home. Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
We are doing this because of problems back home. We are here because of our lives. We fear to lose our lives back home. When we try to demonstrate like this back home, you are either killed or you are buried or you get lost forever. You are put in acid dumps, so you get lost forever. So we are here doing this because we have no option whatsoever to express our feelings. We are here and we thank Canada for being here that we can do this. We thank Canada because we are able to do this. We are the voice of the voiceless back home. Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Bonjour, Canada.
Bonjour, Canada.
Bonjour, Canada.
Bonjour, Canada.
Canada. We are here demonstrating because of... We are here demonstrating...
Anita must resign. Anita Amon is a thief. Anita Amon.
We are doing this because of... We are doing this because we can't do this back home. We are trying to demonstrate because we are in fear of losing our lives. We are here and we have very many people following us in our homes, and we request Canada for protection. Everything is not going on well back home. Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Bonjour, Canada.
Bonjour, Canada.
Museveni is a killer.
Museveni is a murderer.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Canada, Canada.
Stop funding the dictator.
Thank you very much, Canada, for welcoming us here. But back home, we can't do nothing. We can't demonstrate peacefully like this. If you demonstrate, you're killed. If you demonstrate, you lose your life. Very many people, very many political prisoners, very many, everyone like who knows bad about Museveni's